Hey YouTube, this is a review of my cough drop Foamposite. This Foamposite that I got 3 weeks ago from my friend, my close friend that gives me hookups for $150. This is size 12, 2010 cough drop. It's detail review. I mean, these shoes speak for themselves. I mean, it's not the best Foamposite, but it'll work. It'll work. And after this, I'm gonna show you on feet. This on feet review. It's on feet review. Is it light? Huh? Hmm? You see it?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Is it light?
Yeah. It's better. Around. Keep on turning around.
And thank you for watching this video. Hope you like and subscribe. Thanks. And I'm selling these shoes. I'm doing this shoes for sale. Inbox me with an offer.